Every single night for over 7 years, I lay on my Pranamat for over 20 minutes. Here's why. Improves firmness in skin and reduces cellulite. Experience total relief from back pain. Improve your sleep with just 20 minutes a day. Regular use improves circulation and feeling of numbness. Relieve muscle tension by bringing more oxygen to the tissue. Feel a clearer head from alleviating headaches. How could this spiky mat be responsible for so many benefits? By laying on over 10,000 pointed spines, you will increase blood and lymph flow from the very first minute of use. Your skin and muscles receive more oxygen so that every single cell in your body benefits, improving your microcirculation. Through improved metabolism and oxygenation, fights inflammation and stimulates the body's natural healing process. Don't believe me? Find over 30,000 testimonials under the hashtag Pranamat. Interested in experiencing the amazing benefits of Pranamat for yourself? Just visit pranamat.com and for the best price, enter Ariana,